In this instruction video we use the company Sonic Factory, but this video can also be used for other cases. We have the Department of Management, Marketing, Logistics, Personnel and Finance. When you click on a graph, a table appears, and when you position your mouse on an economical term, an explanation shows on the screen. There's an inbox for messages, a feedback box for every department, and after the processing of a round, the ranking will appear. Every round we start by reading the market information. The information for the test round can be found in the company description that can be downloaded. Please read this carefully. At marketing you will find information about prices, sales promotions and market shares. On the decision page of marketing you can fill in the price, sales promotions and your sales estimate for every product market combination. Please note that we use the comma as a thousand separator and a point for the decimals. If you click on the Calculate button, you can see a pre-calculation on the basis of your own decisions and sales estimates at marketing. You can see your remaining available budget, the estimated sales and turnover, and the pre-calculated profit and loss statement. After the processing of the round, you can compare your results in the market with your pre-calculation and make an analysis of the differences. You can always change your decisions and send them again until the processing of the round. Next, we go to the Department of Logistics. Here you will find information about your stock of goods and parts and your production capacity. At the decision page you can purchase the parts and produce the amount of goods that you need according to your sales estimates. The calculation module shows your remaining available budget and pre-calculation of your stocks and production capacity. It's important to keep a close eye on your production capacity, because your machines will be depreciated during the rounds. You can now send your decisions and go to Personnel. The company does not employ production staff but uses temporary personnel. At the Department of Finance, you will find your profit and loss statement, the balance sheet and available credit space, and the gross turnover result for every product market combination. At the decision page you can see your available budget and the total expenses you have to pay in advance. The available budget consists of the money on your bank account, the money that you will get from your debtors minus the money you own to your creditors, the money you have to pay for your corporate tax, and your credit space at the bank. Make sure your total expenses do not exceed your available budget. If so, your decisions will be adjusted during the processing of the round. The total expenses in advance consists of expenses from sales promotions, wages of temporary personnel and purchases of parts. Because the bank offers 0% interest, you have to use as much money as possible from your bank account to finance these expenses. To calculate the withdrawal from your current account credit at the bank, you also have to take into account the balance of your debtors and creditors and the corporate tax you have to pay. The calculation model shows your estimated profit and loss statement and balance sheet. After sending your decisions for finance, you have to go to Management to check the complete overview of your decisions. If you want to change a decision, you have to go to the relevant department.